Alright, you guys, we are going to summarize beach day. And just like our chart or the poster I showed you, we have somebody, wanted, but, so, then. So first we need to read the story. Next, when you guys do this on your own, you're going to use your crayons to go back and color in the important parts. Like it says somebody should be pink, wanted should be purple. You guys will do that. I can't on this screen, but I know you guys have your crayons and can do it. And then last, you would fill out the chart. So I am going to go ahead and type on this one, and we will practice one together. So it says, it was a hot day. Zoe went to the beach with her family. She couldn't wait to swim in the ocean. Dad set up the umbrella. Mom spread out the towel. Zoe put on her life jacket. Can we go swimming now? Zoe asked. First, we need to put on sunblock, Mom said. She looked inside her bag. Oh no, we didn't bring it. Zoe frowned. She really wanted to go for a swim. Don't worry, I'll go get some, Dad said, and he went to the boardwalk and was back in 5 minutes. Mom, Dad, and Zoe all put on sunblock and they ran to the ocean. So when we think about the story, who was this mostly about? Who was this story mostly about? Well, the person that kept coming up in the story was Zoe. So that's all I need to write there. Zoe. What did Zoe want? Well, if I go back into the story, they get to the ocean, and she couldn't wait to swim in the ocean. So what did she want to do? She wanted to swim. But what happened? What's the problem? Well, first we need to put on sunblock. Oh no, we didn't bring it. But they forgot the sunblock. So, what did they do? Did they just go home and say, we can't do it? No. Let's go back to our story. Don't worry, I'll go get some, Dad said. So, they forgot the sunblock, so Dad went to get some. Then what happened? So, he went to the boardwalk and was back in 5 minutes. Mom, Dad, and Zoe all put on sunscreen, and they ran into the ocean. So, they put on sunscreen and went swimming. Now, let's go back and check ourselves. Who is our story about? Zoe. What did she want to do? She wanted to swim. But they forgot the sunblock. So, Dad went to get some. Then they put on sunscreen and went swimming. These details are the most important parts. I am now going to put one in the Google Classroom for you to do. Remember, just like me, you won't be able to color it, okay? But you'll still be able to click and type.